person is dynamic and energetic and wants to talk to you. And some of the best interviews have nothing to do about the law or what they've done in law school or even the firm. It's you just start talking with someone, and I mean generally when a candidate comes in to interview, they've got the academic success. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't be there interviewing. So we just want to see what's the person like. Is it someone with whom you can hold a conversation and that you enjoy talking to? Interviews in which the candidate looks more at my floor than in my eyes, or says, doesn't really talk but mostly just nods and says or ha-ah a lot. It's a little difficult to get excited about someone that you have to work hard to extract any conversation.
Again, I think it's that personal connection. If somebody can come in and articulate why they're interested in the Attorney General's office and why they would be interested in public service.
Students who demonstrate achievement in whatever they've set out to do, and that they are able to articulate their particular skills with examples, I think that does communicate well during an interview. So it may be helpful for students to ask that question, what would make a successful attorney in your office? And if the interviewer says these 3 skills, well then it's up to the student to say, well guess what? I demonstrate those skills and here's how I've demonstrated them.
If you're concerned that your grades may not be the highest grades, that's not the problem. That's not going to necessarily exclude you. You could have the highest grades, but you can't present yourself in a way that the interviewer feels could be helpful to the law firm, helpful to clients, in the ability to communicate. So I would be encouraging of everyone to be very comfortable with who they are, very comfortable with the decisions that they've made, very comfortable with the outlook and career that they will choose. And if you can be happy with yourself, if you're confident with yourself and happy with who you are, I think that is going to take you further along in the interview process than any other single criteria that I can think of.